Gringo, leader of youth, not happy nekubiwa kurigitwa kwemari naIdzi neZanu Pf team Varakash. Hi guys, welcome to T5 Files TV. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. But if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Leader of youth Gringo asikufara nezviri kuitwa neZanu Pf nezviri kuitwa naIdzi. Terai munzwa zvaitarwa naGringo asi kutombofara nazvo. Ari kudedzera kuti vanhu vari kukanganisa, vanhu vari kubira nyika, vari kutibira. Ko isusu mayouth torarama sei? We are trying very hard semaZimbabwe. Terai munzwa.
Guys, honestly speaking, life doubt but I'm not happy. I'm not happy. No, so I'm very sorry to all the young people that I actually said shit to, thinking that you people were not trying. You people were actually trying. You get my point? These young people are trying, man. People are trying in Zimbabwe. Things are just not okay. You get my point? Things are just not okay. Ona mfana nenga ajitengesa kuti masintu ake muka hardware, arutengesa kuti masintu ake kumasvingo uko, arutengesa kuti masintu ake, you get. Then Zimra comes, take everything. Amana, there's no chance, and not ignoring the fact that they are taking the bribes. They are taking the bribes. They want the $200. They want that money. We are not saying the operation is bad. People need to pay tax. But kana munhu ainaro tax clearance ake, tax yake ari kubhadhara $300 anodiwa emacompanies, somebody is paying that tax. Why are we fighting these people to tell out, yeah, wazozwana kupi, yeah, export license riri kupi, yeah, all of this? This is just trying to make people's lives hard. As much as you say that, no, we are chairmen. We can't eat being a chairman. We can't eat being a chairman. We are young people. We are trying to make money in this country. We cannot have the certain people make money. 6 individuals, January to December. 6 individuals make serious money. It's serious money in this country. It's not like young people are not trying. The money is not rolling. It's sad, it's painful. It's painful. We have little people that care, actually, that care for our plan. My business is there are very few. Those people, very, very few. This is painful. Also, it pains me. I could have done this life, but I can't because I'm running around Marari and all of that. But all I'm seeing is sadness. This is going to be one of the saddest Christmases that we have. These young people, the only entertainment that they have in this country is to wait for a Vitro Gem 3, and then they wait for Queen of Hearts, whatever that nonsense is. There's no easy life. Life is just so much difficult. You can say whatever you want to say. The same individuals. You people want to celebrate. What? No one. People come here. Some of us, we have talents. Listen to me. I'll tell you now. Some of us, we have talents. We are not going to come at your doors and your offices and beg you. Never. We will come present business ideas. You take that business idea. You decide to do something with it. It's up to you. You decide to throw that paper. It's up to you. It's fine. The same shit that I'm doing, young people are doing it. They're coming to your offices. You want them to sing, write your dicks, do this, twerk for yourselves, so that you listen to them and share the money. You don't want. You don't want. We can't have the same people over and over. Same people I've counted. It's 6 individuals. If there are 7, maybe. Top 10 billionaires in Zimbabwe. Which billionaires? Which billionaires? Young people are struggling in this country. I commend what the president is doing, amen, or with the roads and everything, whatever that. But munaruma vuka angambo uya uzoifamba road kuna second. Anoifamba neiko. Achaenda kupi? There's no chance for young people to make money. We need to give them a chance to make money. We need to give them something at least. You can't come here over and over again, the same people. Nasi ninga pinza motkari yakati, nasi mangwana pinza mori yakati. Nasi ninga uyaone mota yakati na mangwana uyaone mota yakati. It's a competition amongst the rich. People the north of Samora are the ones that enjoy this life. They are the ones that enjoy this country. No. Some of us, we don't commit any crime. If you ridicule us and come and try to commit a crime, I'm never going to commit a crime. I'll go back to the country where my talent is actually being accepted. I gave an idea to certain individuals and I said, no, I can build this thing for you better. One idiot who's twerking at me gave that whole idea to someone and created the most stupidest, idiotic system that I've ever seen. Something so ugly and bullshit. They have it right now. Just because there's a twerker there and I'm not willing to twerk. I'm never going to. I'm a man. I'm going to remain a man. Broke or not broke, I will remain a man. I'm never. You come to me, you look at me with some stupid eyes. I'm never going to be impressed by an individual who go and dick ride another man. I'm a talented individual. I know what I can do. I know the value of the shit that I do. I know the people my talent has been accepted in different countries and I've tested it. It actually works. And the same individuals that are in this country is because that they haven't tested their talent somewhere else. That's why they are struggling. Talent is not accepted in Zimbabwe. You need to dick ride someone in Harare. You need to dick ride someone. If you are not willing to dick ride an individual, you are not going to make this money. You are not going to make it in this country. Over and over, people are buying $1 million cars. The same individuals, I'm going, people, it's not abana, people who go and say whatever they want to say. I'll tell you now, there is nothing that hurts more than having the same individuals make man mariacha is kumbotenderera maharare. Vafana vari kutambura kusikuti havasi kuzama. Vakuzama over and over, they are trying. I've seen it myself. I've seen it. My business. All of us, we can't go and open my tax shop. My informal sector, we can't go and open my tax shop. Never. Not all of us are going to open tax shops. You want all of us to open tax shops? Guys, I'm sorry. Somebody had called my phone. Somebody had called my phone. But listen to me, people. Listen to me, people. Some of us, I'll tell you now. Some of us, we are not looking to trend or whatever. I'm very popular apparently in this country. I've been greeted and what by certain individuals that I don't even know. I just could have good trend. I could have just say. But I'll tell you now. I'm telling you now, and I'm telling you right now that it's not good. Young people are struggling. They are not doing anything. They are not making any money. There is no money. There is literally no money rolling around. Mari kutenderera inotenderera iyo mambada yenyu ndo ega nofana kudzidya mari. Ega. We want to celebrate being chairmen. Yes, very well. We will celebrate being chairmen. But we can't eat that. We have people that answer our cause. But those people, they don't answer certain young people, person phone and business idea. People are making billions and billions from Zimbabwe. Because this I'll tell you now, this is the most painful thing that I have actually seen in this country ever since. I've tried. I don't want to lie to you that young people are not trying in this country. I'm very sorry. If I was in South Africa, they're blaming you that you're not active. There are actually certain individuals that are actually active, that are busy looking, but the money is not coming their way because they are not willing to twerk. They are not willing to dig right any man. They are not willing. So the reason why you are not, the moment you are not willing to dig right another individual, you're never gonna make it. They will even bet that this one will never make it in this country. It's theirs. What do you want? No, it's fine. They will even bet to you. They will even bet. The same president that is yours. We were also, dear president, where do we? The same Zanu Pf that you are in. We are all Zanu Pf. Apasina munaziri Zanu Pf. Everyone is now Zanu Pf. Why are you not opening doors for other young people to make this money? Why are you not opening doors for other young people? Over and over, over and over, over and over. Certain individuals you will see, I will tell you, go and look. Go there, go Zimbabwe, go no check. Go there and check my duty motor or go. You'll be surprised. Yes, a motor above 500,000. It's the same over and over, same people, young people. They are never going to make it in this country. Whether you are Zanu Pf, the moment you are not willing to tweak for somebody, you're never going to make it. Never. Never. You have to go and dig right someone. You have to go and tweak around them. You have to go and laugh at their jokes that are not funny. They are people, they are young people we have studied. They are not getting the chance because these individuals, as much as they want to help you, even they can't. They can't even help you because they are surrounded by stupid idiots. There are 50 people, 50 individuals around them that are blocking you from making it. You can't take your business idea to their offices. You have to go and run. They go Highlands Park, and yet you are just a Zimbabwean. You just have to accept that you are poor. Certain people must always be the highest ones. We must always just accept that I have a very 6 chet and don't get mariacho. Very 6 chet. No, it's not right. It's not right. Give them a chance. If they bring their business ideas, sit them down. If the numbers are not making sense, sit them down, help them. You are not willing to help them because money is supposed to be eaten by certain individuals. Only them. Only them. They've access. Certainly access is the president. And phone yangu is president at any given time. The certain over what about Asina access to the president? That person is not a Zimbabwean. That person is not a Zimbabwean. Zanu Pf Majo Ena you are mirror to unity. You are Zanu Pf and Mirego. I'm mirror to unity. No matter what, no matter what, as long as you are not certain people, you are not making it in this country. It has to be certain individuals so that when they bring out their houses, when they bring out their cars, we praise, yeah. Only them. Over and over, 365 days, twerking for the same person, praising the same person, just one individual. We must salute. You bring an idea, it's ridiculed because you're not willing to take right. You're betting on your talent that you spent 7 years studying. 7 fucking years someone studying. That person has to come back again and take down his pants and dig right somebody so that they can eat money in Zimbabwe. What kind of a country that cannot even support talents of young individuals? Young people, their talents are ridiculed. You come up with a business idea, it's rubbish because you're not willing to twerk. Supporting Zanu Pf, supporting President Emerson Mnangagwa is not enough. They even want you to degrade people that actually the runners around. You must go to them and degrade them. No. We'll go back. It's fine. Better you go back to those countries. I will keep on telling you, take passports and go. There are people outside of this country that will support your talents. If people are not willing to acknowledge your talents, go. Look for a passport and go. I'm telling you now. A lot of money outside of Zimbabwe. The same shit that is being ridiculed by somebody who did not collect their O-level results. Somebody who don't even know who somebody is ridiculing shit that no. If that's the way you want to go into 2025, it's okay. Go into that year. This Christmas there's nothing. We are actually chairmans. Okay, we are chairmans, but we are never going to eat being a chairman. There are actually real chairmans in this country. Those real chairmans will eat this money on their own. They'll buy $5 million houses. They'll buy $1 million cars. It's fine. It's them. They are the only ones who must eat money from this country. Few individuals like this, they are willing to help young people. Few, 1, 2. You can even count them. They can't even move 3, 4. But look, nah. Fuck this shit. Nah. Fuck this shit. It's fine. And I'm not twerk. We just say, post zimba dzavo, post mota dzavo, post butu dzavo, and it's okay. Go and do that shit. Somebody came to me, hey, don't go against the system. The system is against us every day. The system is against us young people every day. We support him, Sangano. Titori ma patriot Msangano. Titori as we speak. Iwo yosemu Msangano atovotera futhi. Titori makadzi edu ndiyakumana 2006. There's only one party. There's only one president. No matter what you do, it's not enough. I'm telling you now. Even if you're a CCC and you convert to being a ZANU Pf, it's not enough. There's not enough support for you. There are certain individuals that are not my super ZANU Pf. If I haven't done it, they must benefit from this country. Mara is good tenderera. Kwese, they are taking kwese. Even my ure acho akaipa yavo. Kada kwenda kwadontaza kosi taskana kapenga kazoti mu ukasanga nemoto yakanaka inotozika kuti njani ndinenge atopfura point ninge vari people 6 vava vatataura 6 people. You see a beautiful house, ndinenge you see wasangana nechi ndakakudza unotukwa nehure mbao ndokunyudza just because they have certain someone's phone number. And it's not a lie, actually. They will fucking take you down. We have more evil every day. When we motor 3322, Mangoma bodyguard. What will happen to you? You're protecting yourself from who? Everyone is poor. No one is. Everyone is poor and broke. They don't even have time to make money from you. Nothing. No, it's fine. It's okay. It's fine. That's the country. That's the country that no land, no kwatno to okwedu okwacho. Kunoko. No kwedu kwacho. No kwedu kwacho. We must go and dig right somebody to actually have a business opportunity that you're not so know this is lucrative. These numbers are making sense. You calculate, you do everything, you go, you're an accountant, you go and you look at these numbers, you do everything, you do the very much due diligence. You go, you take it, so. Irombe, who introduced one rombe. You're a chartered accountant. Une idea. But a rombe between you, ne watch and marry. Ratu shora rombe iroro. Basara don't reku dick rider. Raka gona stede ku tera ma. Dick rider to the extent you can the power singaite. You people telling you, we have young people who have studied serious minds in this country. Serious minds. They are not willing to dick ride anybody. We thought supporting Zanu Pf, supporting the president was enough. No, it's not. You hand them your idea, the paper is thrown away somewhere. Try to come back, you call, your phone is not being answered. You are left there. Just because you can't say anything. Some of us, you can say anything. We can say something. We can say something. We are not doing anything illegal. We are actually trying to make money in our own country. We are trying. These young people, they are trying, I'm telling you. They are trying. Maurawa nikachikushainira every day nima picture kanzera parada. Hawangambotadza shisha yeko kwenita $45. Hawangambotadza kukushainira iwo ukabata $45 You're thinking kuti amai vangu ndivatumire iko Christmas ino. Ndoita sei kuti ndivatumire amai vangu ndoita sei. There are people who are celebrating this Christmas. They are buying themselves houses. 20 Zimra comes knocking at your door. Because you don't have money, you can't bribe them. Everything is being taken because you have imported it into this country. No, man, this is sad, man. This is sad. There's nothing to celebrate. Nothing, I'll tell you now, nothing. It's guy or I do mariacho, it's fine. I could tender Maria, you see, and nothing. This year has been about them, and it's only 6 individuals. You count them on your own, put in the names. I don't want to put the names. Put the names on your own. They are the owners of this country. You are not. They'll brag to you. It's only about it. Anyway, Bible rekati varombo mchagara muinavo. Ngo accepta. There's nothing, there's more inspiration that I can send to you. I've seen it, you're trying, people. Sometimes you don't even have the money to go and take a passport. It's $270 something to take a passport. $120. It's not easy to get the basic one. It's not even easy to get. Where will you get it? You have to go and swallow somebody's dick out there. Praise them even when they are not doing anything. You must praise them. Every day there's some event, they are doing it, it's for them, they are doing this is for them, they are doing this is for them. Ask around and ask the people that they are walking around with. No one will answer you. No one. Bvunza iwe izvezvi bvunza. Vese vakapinda vanogona kuuya. Vakauya apa bvunza kuti orati uyo ndiye murungu. Ko ava vese 41 vaita basa rei. You'll be shocked. Nothing. Apana zvavanoita. Chava kungoenda vanotweka. They're actually living a better life from twerking. Talent is not being acknowledged in our own country. President is busy keeping people out there. Every now and then, yaenda kugwera anokepa 500. Vauya pa use it vakepa 9,000. Vaenda kwakati vakepa 500. Vaenda kwakati vakepa something. All of these people, all of these graduates, you are creating graduates so that they can dig right. Certain individuals. Where are their companies? What are they selling? What is it that they are selling? Where are their companies? What exactly are they doing? How many people are they employing? It's painful. This Christmas is the most painful Christmas. We are going to be here. We will see. I'm telling you, 2025. I may know. Me, if you don't like what I do, if you don't like what I say to you, I will go back. I will tell you, foreigners have accepted my talent. I've been employed by banks. I've proven. Go to my LinkedIn and check. Over and over, I'm changing a contract. I'm being called. It's an offer that comes and say, "Uyo muna no gona zvinhu kuita Manuel. Uyo muna no gona kuita Manuel. Uyo no gona gani mugawe kunoku." For the same shit that I do, I get paid 1,100 or something, 1,000 above rands an hour. The same shit that I do, somebody in Zimbabwe who's doing it better is getting $20 and I mean $20 what for a day? Talents are not acknowledged in this country. It's ameno. Certain people must eat the money. Certain people must be acknowledged. Certain people must bring business ideas. Certain people's business ideas. Hey, unofana phone yako unofana my connections. Hey, my connections. Paipe panekudza nchikutsura kuti ayo no ita my connections. Unomaona kupi na iwe. Enda unotweka kuti wane connection. Enda unotweka kuti wane connection. Anyway, life I just to pay. I'm picking my wife. I have to pay her life. Pick up my wife and get to dinner yake. Nishamwari zake. Nakumtoro we baba. Bana. So wadza kani. So wadza, it's very, very much painful. You can't live in this country. You can't. You start your business. Zimra is knocking at your door. They want you to bribe them $200. And yet you're making $150 a day. They want to take that money. All of it. All of it must be taken. Just because you don't have money to bribe them. What are you going to do? Torera tudoro twese twangwa hoto. Totorwa twese. Mutemo wacho unongoshandira certain individuals.